So first thing you want to do to start is to locate the oil filler cap here. Loosen that off. It might be a little tight. I already loosened this earlier. And remove that so the oil will drain freely. So then setting yourself up on the other side here. I placed an oil drain pan underneath, and the oil pan drain plug is located right there. Once you loosen it, you should be able to just use your hand loosen it the rest of the way. So once all the oil drains out, just locate the plug and screw it back in. It's a good idea to change your oil drain plug washer every couple oil changes. Some people do it every time, but I do it about every second time. Make sure you don't forget to snug it up. Now for the next part, you can actually reach in here, access the oil filter. This is a new one here. I use Wix 51358. It's compatible with these. Just cause a lot of burning and smoking after. So that broke it. You can see the oil draining on the tin foil there now. And you take some of this oil, make sure you rub it on the seal of the new one. And so they recommend doing it at hand height plus a quarter turn. This is what I use, Mocho 10W40. Filled up here, 3.7 liters. Then in here, there's an oil sight glass. Do that until it reaches the middle line on there. And that's it.